is Nur Durgut, and we recently upgraded our kitchen with granite countertops from Troy Granite. We went with an option of leather finish, and we love it so far. I'm very satisfied with the product. I strongly recommend everybody to go to their showroom and talk to the salespeople in person. They're highly trained and professionals. I went in there with a completely different idea of what I wanted and what would look nice in my kitchen. But talking to the personnel there, listening to their input, I went with a completely different color and also with a different finish. And I have to say, I love it. Went to the showroom, they had a huge selection of different marble countertops, granite countertops, quartz, and mixtures. We have 2 little kids, 2 kittens. Sometimes quite a rough lifestyle in the kitchen. We started cooking and baking with the kids, so they helped us make the right choice. It was very seamless from stepping into the showroom, getting the consultation, ordering the stones, getting the measurement, cutting in installation was a very seamless process, and everything was done within 2 weeks. And as I said, go there, get a free consultation, and you will get the feeling that they know what they're talking about, and that will make it a lot more easier to make a decision.